quick tip. Let's tighten the camera in now. So let's put the camera in. We're gonna put the bezel on, like so. And we're just gonna use our gloves to spin it in place. And you can use the wire too, but this is pretty easy to get that to snug in there. Once we get it fairly snug, now we need to make sure it's level. There's an arrow that goes on the top just to get started. And right now, we're gonna put it in place, but we're not gonna fully snap it in. And we're gonna check with the person inside the car. Is it level? Yes? No? Okay. If it's not level, we're just gonna move it a little bit with the bezel with our rubber glove so that it catches the camera, moves it. And is it level? Yes, it is. Wonderful. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna just hold this like this. And we'll take our Sharpie, we're gonna mark it like that. And we're gonna mark it up with our, we're gonna mark it right there. So we got a good mark on the mount and a good mount on the camera. Perfect, okay. So now we got that. Still level? Good. All right, let's make that last tightening part. I'm gonna use our thumb there, and we're gonna use the bezel here, and we're gonna use that rubber glove to grab that bezel to make it super tight. And once it's super tight, then it won't move when you're on the trails. All right, now let's make sure it doesn't spin. Good, not spinning, that's what we wanted. Okay, one last check before we snap it in. Is it level? It's good, it's level, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna snap it in, and once you snap it in, you hear a click. That's it, you're fully in.